gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. So today I'm installing a 360 lace wig. Okay, 360. Do you hear me right? 360, and it is my first time of installing this wig alone. 360, my first time. The wig, the knot came bleached. You can see it. 360 is not a joke, guys. So this wig is from Lwigs. I'm going to leave the details of the wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. You can see the back, guys, is 360. It's 100% virgin human hair. The length is 18 inches. The density is 180 density. It's 360 HD. Okay, so guys, it's my first time installing 360 wig alone. It wasn't easy at all. It wasn't easy. I will not lie to you guys, okay, but I tried my best. If you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. The hair is coily, is popping. There was no shedding, and the color is black. As you guys can see, you can never go wrong with black color. You guys know I love me my black. Even if I like color, I love me my black because it goes with everything. So that is it, gorgeous. I'm going to see if there's any discount code. I will leave it on the description box. I will leave it on the description box as usual. So gorgeous, if you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Support your girl also. If you think I tried in this hair installation, click on that like button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Watch to the end and see how I install this wig. The battle was real. All right, guys, bye. Stay gorgeous.
I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning
las horas. Sos mi vida y sos toda mi aurora. Lo que quiero es amor, nada de compasión. No, no, no lo sé si tú sabes que te quiero pero no lo es. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Superaba lo que te hice a ti. Pasara me dijo la tristeza. Si hubiera replay cambiaría por ti, porque te amo, baby. Es que el corazón no entiende por qué hace tanto dolor. Fueron errores que te marcan y cantarán a grito la canción. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Soñé que era esos días que tenía tu compañía. Desperté y no era como antes, que los errores de mi vida nunca fueron culpa mía. Y el destino quiso traicionarme, pero me di cuenta demasiado tarde que por esas vainas te perdí a ti. No estuvo en mi mente hacerte sufrir, ni en mis pesadillas dejarte ir. Yeah, yeah. Qué pena que esto se volvió una condena, pero eso no me frena, que fueras ajena. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. below, and I'm still here, I'm freezing cold, but I will wait, I hold my breath till I turn blue. So keep me in your sight, 'cause I